Quick magic trick. This is how we fix it. I take this, and boom. You see? And I just throw it right back on there, and it just automatically connects. How does this happen? Do you think this is fixable? Somebody guess how he broke this. Circuit.
Stop scrolling and follow us now. Like and subscribe before you swipe.
I'm gonna show y'all how we do this again, all right? Quick magic trick. This is how we fix it. I take this, and boom. You see? And I just throw it right back on there, and it just automatically connects. Here, all I gotta do is do this here. Boom. You see? I just slap it right on there. I don't even have to put screws in. It's easy putting them together.